Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to claim a student discount in Amazon Prime. So all what you need to do is open Amazon website, then you log into your account. After that you will see here, you click on this, then you will see the option here Prime, you click on that, then you will see this page. In this page, as you can see here, are you 18, 24 years old or a student? You click on this one. Then as you can see, you can get 6 months free trial when you verify you are a student. So all what we are going to do is click on this button, then you will see this page. You will see here verify as a student. You are going to enter some information about your university, your class, your name, and etc. And after that you need to add a payment method, either credit cards or if you have gift cards or vouchers in Amazon. After that you can get the 6 months free trial and you can cancel the subscription before the 6 months end. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.